Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Janusz Michalik will be one of the pundits at ESPN. So Babako the comment say Chelsea made a mistake for selling Jorginho to Arsenal in 2023 January transfer window, because at that time where Arsenal actually make the move, not Arsenal they pursue title race, so a lot of people felt Arsenal they collect a finished goods from Chelsea. Many Arsenal fans were not happy, say the guy don't dey na old man, how many years in there na can't carry on. But with the power of hindsight now, we can actually say the deal no dey as bad as we thought. How much did we pay? Was it not £12 million? At the end of the day, he don't perform for Arsenal way better than the 200 million which Chelsea invest in Moses Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez. Look at where Chelsea are languishing in the table. Chelsea they regress, Arsenal they progress. So at the end of the day, Babako also with the power of hindsight, say those where they are the helm of affairs for Chelsea, they would regret, say if say we know. Because remember, cast your mind back, that time we go sign Jorginho from Chelsea, he was the vice captain, he was one of the vocal voices in the Chelsea dressing room, an experienced head, a leader. The conquer and go dash Arsenal on the platter of gold, and we collect and welcome him wholeheartedly. In fact, we just hope say Arsenal will give the guy a contract extension. Alright, so away from that, so Sky Sports they analyze say Arsenal have been invited to bid for Ivan Toney after Thomas Frank admission yesterday. With Thomas Frank, they talk say Ivan Toney is most likely going to be sold at the end of the season. In fact, Thomas Frank won't go further. However, they talk say he would like to see Ivan Toney playing at a top attacking team. So how many top attacking teams in the EPL are looking for a striker? It is just Arsenal, because Spurs are not supposed to be added to those who they find that type of striker. I don't think they even have the capital, the financial clout to even say they want to go for such a player like Ivan Toney, because honestly in my assessment will be costing for at least 60-70 million pounds. Now we're seeing the guy will go for, because he has 1 year left on his contract by the time the season will end. At that time, everybody will bid for him. So let's just see what happens. But the guy, if you don't join, we never really know. Just keep watching. Alright, so we know if you do the show without talking about the match we then played yesterday, Nigeria versus South Africa. So the match it go well, Nigeria don't win. Now, what do you mean now be say, because I can't check the second match, the Congo DR versus Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast beats them 1-0. Sebastian Haller, the guy scored. So the match don't they even the poise. That's the final. So Nigeria going to play the Ivory Coast, aka Cote d'Ivoire. They will play them for the final. So the match will be very, very interesting, because Cote d'Ivoire, that's the Ivory Coast, and them be the host nation. So I just pray for the final, make home advantage. No go affect the referee. You know, cloud in judgments. Make the referee just be very, very neutral. Ivory Coast never really play so much for this competition. Never play well like that. Just they lucky to get to this stage. So, but they will play the Super Eagles of Nigeria. So we'll just wait to go happen. And that one will end the competition, and we need to beat this Ivory Coast so that we'll reaffirm our status as the giants of Africa. Right, moving on. So Jorginho 12 months extension clause is still available after the season will end. So Fabrizio Romano now they make us know this one. So Baba published for the story. So I can check and say the guy get nothing for saying get 12-month extension. Jorginho contract will expire at the end of the season, and when it does expire, Arsenal have the power to actually extend it, because for in contract a 12-month extension day there, and even though the contract will expire at the end of the season, it is still valid for Arsenal to tick the box. And Fabrizio Romano explained say Mikel Arteta really likes and appreciates the player. So I'm not really surprised if they give him that 1 year extension, because he's 32 right now. So giving him 1 more year is going to be 33. So we will give him one more year until a stage reaches, so feel say we don't get confirmed replacements, get better people go there, so let's just free you. Then maybe we see somebody like Amado Nana or Martin Zubimendi, two of them just there to complement Declan Rice. And also if we replace Jorginho, we'll replace Thomas Partey. That's like 2 fresh midfielders. Men, we go fall in. So if that one happen, we can still free Baba. Or if we say, okay, since stay based on your vocal nature, based on your experience. Because if you watch the press conference at the end of the match, we Arsenal played against Liverpool, Declan Rice said it, say, in be youngster, saying they learned a lot from the likes of Jorginho, because Jorginho has seen it all. So if they learn from us, say Jorginho, the level in the players, no wonder Mikel Arteta trust him. At the end of the day, tell Rice, say, all right, Jorginho is the match winner, they come congratulate. So the guy is a viable member of our team. Now moving on, so Football London going to do some expose on when our players will come back. So for Bukayo Saka, they said the guy will come back February 11th. Say that's what we do and not be serious something. I just see the kicking ankle. So it's going to be back by the match we will play against West Ham. Then Zinchenko coming back, that one day unknown. Nobody really know when Zinchenko will come back. So that one better to be sure. But at least Tomiyasu is back. So me not really they fear anything. So Julian Timber, they saying will come back this February. Now what's in Football London they talk. So but just the watch, all things being equal, say things happen exactly as they don't speculate them. So but just the watch. Alright, see, when we talk, say we don't get squad depth, because one of our community members enter my DM and say, actually, say we don't get squad depth and we know they buy players. How we take that squad depth? We know they sign this and that. And many other people say get that same mindset. So we always complain say we don't get squad depth. Yes, we know they sign players. See, when we say we don't get squad depth, we are talking about quality over quantity. We don't say we don't get squad depth in terms of numbers. We have the numbers in the bench. How many people they list for bench? You know, they list like 7 or 8. No people with that. No the numbers. But we are talking about the quality. Out of that bench we see, how many be top quality? If we look at our bench on the good days, with people don't get injured now, look at our bench now. Come out Rossard, who remain there? For that bench we see. Come out Rossard. Look at the match we play against Liverpool. With our injuries so don't get, they look at those people for bench. Come out Rossard, who remain for that bench? Where you go feel say yes now men match changer. Maybe say they put them in everywhere go scatter who. That's the thing we're talking about. But look at Man City, look at their bench. Quality. Nobody say some kind of shit pack average no they do, but quality still there. If they put Doku, now one man riot. If they put Greenish said they score, they perform, they give assists. Even Bob, that small boy they play for Norway. Instead, na senior man, if he enter, they change game. Just be like Saka, they change game. So that's what we're talking about. Nobody say we don't get the numbers. We're talking about the quality. So that's the issue. Alright, so Arsenal don't do a feature story with Julian Timber. So Babakwa they explain say now when say don't get injured, he don't get much time. He get to watch the ball from the sidelines and he don't see how he would fit into Arsenal style of play once he come back. They ask him a lot of questions, how they start football, he was in twin brother, how they move from club to club. He started playing football from 4 years. Like the feature story too long. I don't think they tell now the story, but the meat of the story Coco be say in the watch Arsenal match on the sidelines, in the watch everything, and they take everything all in, they enjoy the thing. So by the time they come back, you don't know how they fit into the club. So if they pray for us, once the while they drop some kind of Bible quotation to they support Arsenal. David Seaman, come as I call it, also the atmosphere we Arsenal generates against Liverpool. So that atmosphere was very, very electrifying. It was electric. And I always push the Arsenal players to the finish line. They say, in way, say, no, they for the stadium, no, they for house, they watch them. So the team like saying they for stadium because the volume, the way the team, the vocal nature of the fans, they were happy to sing and sing and sing. And for the fact that Arsenal can score an early goal, there was an uproar, like saying a volcano erupt. No, if I they talk plenty. Just imagine those really around that stadium, you get, waiting for their house. I don't know how their eardrum would be on that day Arsenal because the atmosphere was different unlike any other day. Alright, so the Premier League got comments on the blast Arsenal and Liverpool. So the Premier League chief of football, what they call Tony Scholes, come outside, they talk say Arsenal, Liverpool, and Wolves. Get to say they come outside, they complain about VAR. Get say your complaint is not the problem, but when you go out to the public and let the public know that you have made a statement, you have complained to the EPL or to the PGMO, say it is not helping matters. Get say then they under pressure already. Say them they discuss with you. You can't go for public. Go tell them what they tell everybody for. Say let's maintain that cordial relationship. You get because we carry the matter go outside, everybody gonna blast the PGML, the VR. So him understand say VR also needs some working, it needs improvements. Quite alright, nobody they argue that one. Even one of the things that they work on now how to increase the time maybe say they take to check all those questionable calls, make it know they take so much time and people go there under suspense for the stadium. They wait to hear whether they will say they go now go, I mean they go no be goal again. So now what's in Baba they talk say maybe they just give them time again, but all this behavior of running to the media, go outside. If you send us letter, you will post and say yes, you don't say. What are you telling them for? You guys know what Baba they explain. Well, now then Gary Neville and first push all this narrative and the Premier League don't chop and they don't come outside when they talk in the same way. Well, it is what it is. I just make a lesson and know how everything they go. Alright guys, so if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you'll get all last now update as they drop all over the world. So start you signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and be out.